This is the ALPHA3, the innovative 4K camera that's going to change the way you shoot action video forever. ALPHA3 is the world's first action camera that features a 180-degree flip touchscreen. With the built-in SONY IMX577 image sensor, ALPHA3 provides next-level digital overlap HDR that keeps the picture looking good even in the worst conditions. And unlike GoPro Hero 7, ALPHA3 enables you to shoot video in HDR mode at up to 4K 60 frames per second, resulting in smoother and sharper videos with unmatched high quality. Powered by the revolutionary Ambarella H22 quad-core image processor, ALPHA3's gimbal-like stabilization is steady like a rock. And unlike the DJI Osmo Action, ALPHA3 allows for simultaneous stabilization while in HDR mode. So for the first time in the industry, you can get stable 4K video with improved HDR image quality whenever and wherever you need it. With the 240 frames per second resolution available for 8x super slow motion mode, you can capture every photo finish and every single drop of sweat all in full 1080p. ALPHA3 even provides distortion correction on video shot at a regular angle, up to 4K 30 frames per second without any unwanted fisheye effect. It is also the only action camera that includes a unique mounting adapter so you can shoot with 3x telescope, macro, or any other 37mm. And if you need to get a little wet, Mokacam ALPHA3 Pro allows you to shoot up to 3 meters or up to 60 meters by attaching the waterproof case. So this is it, the most advanced action camera that has revolutionized the industry. Get your ALPHA3 today and be the first to experience this one of a kind.